Before we start, I want you to think about something. When was the last time you felt completely ignored? Not just casually, I mean really ignored. Like you were there, but no one noticed. You spoke, but no one really listened. You reached out and got nothing back. That feeling, it stays with you. It makes you question yourself. Am I not interesting enough? Did I say something wrong? Or do people just not care about me? But here's something most people don't realize. Being ignored is rarely random. There are patterns behind it, signals behind it. And once you understand those signals, you can completely change how people respond to you. Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, people just ignore you? You speak, and no one really listens. You send a message, and it gets left unseen. You walk into a room, and somehow you feel invisible. It's confusing. And honestly, it hurts more than most people admit. But what if I told you this isn't happening for no reason? There are specific behaviors, habits, and signals that make people lose interest, often without you even realizing it. Now let's get one thing clearer. This is not about blaming you. It's about awareness. Because most people go through life thinking, maybe I'm just not interesting, or maybe people just don't like me. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is that you might be sending signals that push people away without even realizing it. One of the biggest reasons people ignore you is because you try too hard. And I know that sounds harsh, but think about it. When you're constantly seeking attention, replying instantly every time, double texting, over-explaining yourself, people can feel that energy. And instead of pulling them closer, it creates pressure. It feels forced. And anything that feels forced naturally makes people step back. Another reason is how you communicate. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. If your voice sounds unsure, if you hesitate a lot, if you use words like maybe, I guess, or I don't know too often, people subconsciously take your words less seriously. Confidence is not about being loud, it's about being certain. And when that certainty is missing, people lose interest without even knowing why. Then there's the issue of energy. If everything you say is predictable, low energy, or too safe, people get bored quickly. Human attention works on curiosity. If there's nothing intriguing, nothing that makes someone think or feel something different, their mind drifts away. It's not personal, it's just how attention works. Another powerful reason is that you're always available. Always replying fast, always saying yes, always being there. It feels like the right thing to do, but it can backfire. Because when something is always available, people start taking it for granted. It stops feeling special. Scarcity creates value, and when there's no scarcity, there's no urgency to pay attention. And then there's something most people don't notice. You might be talking at people instead of talking with them. If conversations are always about your stories, your problems, your opinions, people slowly disconnect. Not because they don't care, but because they don't feel involved. People remember how you make them feel, and if they don't feel seen or heard, they won't feel connected to you. Now here's the good news, all of this is fixable. And it doesn't require you to become someone else. It just requires small shifts in how you show up. Start by slowing down your responses. You don't need to reply instantly every time. Give conversations space to breathe. Let people come towards you too. That small change alone can shift how people perceive your value. Next, speak like your words matter. Slow down when you talk. Pause more. Remove unnecessary filler words. When you stop rushing and start speaking with intention, people naturally pay more attention. It is not magic, it is perception. Also, be more selective with your energy. not everyone deserves unlimited access to your time and attention. When you start valuing yourself, people begin to feel that, and they respond to it. Another powerful shift is asking better questions. Instead of trying to impress people, focus on understanding them. Let them talk. Let them feel heard. Because people are naturally drawn to those who make them feel important. And finally, build your presence. This goes beyond words. Your eye contact, your body language, your silence, all of it matters. Sometimes saying less actually makes people listen more. When you're calm, grounded, and present, people feel it. And that feeling is what makes them pay attention. At the end of the day, being ignored doesn't mean you're not valuable. It usually means you haven't learned how to show that value yet. And once you do, everything changes. People start noticing you. They start listening to you. They start respecting your presence, not because you forced them to, but because you became someone they naturally pay attention to. So if you've ever felt ignored, don't take it as a sign that something is wrong with you. Take it as a sign that something needs to be adjusted, because small changes in how you act, speak, and carry yourself can completely change how the world responds to you. And once you understand that, you're no longer invisible. If this made you think, hit the like button and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, when was the last time you felt ignored?